Alright, we built these probably almost a month ago now, but it's a rainy day. Probably isn't the best day to do it, but they go in here because these are all getting beat up. So I have to pull this out and adjust the leveling there and then put it back in. Let's see what happens. All right, we got this one in. This is the other one that has to come out and that to go in. I don't know what's up with this effing rain. Wasn't supposed to rain at all today, but whatever. All right, we got our second one in. Sitting pretty nice. It's a big upgrade. We got dirt, which I think we're going to put on our compost pile, because it's all good dirt and a little bit of stuff right there. This was this thing get pulled out. I got pulling screws out of this, and that's going to go into chipping boxes. Okay, we got our sawmill closed up. You never know when it's going to start raining. Leaves are coming down, but it could rain or it could snow. So we got this one in and this one in. That's good. We cleaned up all the old pieces. We reset these two mats here, and we cut some lumber to use for shelves. So that's going to go into the kiln project and see what the moisture content is, and if we can dry it and then sterilize it and start using it.